Hi everyone. How to hide language bar on Taskbar and Desktop on Windows 11? If you want to hide language bar on Windows 11 Taskbar as well as Desktop, do the following steps. Press the Windows +I keyboard shortcut to launch Windows Settings app. Then, select the time and language on the left side under the Settings window. Next, click Typing on the right pane. Then, click the Advanced Keyboard Settings tile on the Typing settings. In this window, check the option, Use the desktop language bar when available. Then, click the link Language bar options. In the Text Services and Input Languages dialog, select Hidden in the Language bar tab. Then, click the Apply button. At last, hit the OK button. After these steps, hide language bar on Taskbar and Desktop in Windows 11. You can still switch languages using Windows + Spacebar hotkey. That's all for this article. I hope this article will add some value to your work. If you are new to this channel, like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the latest videos directly into your YouTube inbox. Comment below if you like this video. Keep watching, learning, and growing. See you in the next video.